Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me diving into a eyeshadow palette I got for Christmas that I haven't really touched, and it's like really a lot of fun colors that I like to try out. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share and like my video if you wouldn't care, and follow me on my social media accounts, and they're always linked in my description below. So if you like to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it was a little bit cringy, but whatever. Okay, so I got this eyeshadow palette it wasn't really for Christmas, but it was around Christmas. My cousin got married and she got me a gift because I was her maid of honor. And it's from a brand that you really don't hear about, and I really haven't heard about, is the Color Workshop. Like, these colors are gorgeous, and sorry for the background, I still haven't cleaned up everything. Yeah, so these colors are so gorgeous, and like, I'm really kind of feeling in with these colors, because you know, I always will probably mess with these colors, but I really want to do something different. I did do a look, I have been like trying out looks off camera and seeing what I like the most, and trying to give you all some tutorials and something different. I really don't have a lot of tutorials on my channel, so I think this would be great. I did try out this palette the other day, and I tried the blues in this color, in this palette, and maybe this green, I can't remember. And they turned out really pretty, so I might try it out. And I did do something with this palette also that I haven't really tried out, so it's a new palette. I'll try out some colors in this. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to prep my eyes with Prep and Prime. I already have like a little, I can't talk today to save my life, because you don't know how many times I've already done this video, and I've had to delete it because I messed up so many times trying to do an intro. I'm feeling like it's like the first day I'm filming, like, why am I acting so retarded? Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I'm going to use a little bit different brush today. I just wanted to do something different and mix up some color, you know, because my last video that has going to be up is like a pink and purple look. I kind of like want to do some different looks, maybe some like different neutral shades, like a chrome look and like silver looks and stuff for Halloween, because Halloween's going to be coming up pretty soon. School look, like a basic school look. I might do that next. I don't know. I just want to do something different. So I hope y'all stick around. So I'm going to try to recreate that look that I made the other day. I will show you a look that I did the other day that hopefully it looks kind of like this one. Okay, so I'm going to go, I remember the first shade I went in with this like peach color right here to set my eyes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this dark green shade for my outer part of my eye. Just kind of like work this into the crease. This color is so pretty to be like a dark green. This is really pretty. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this down a little bit lower on my eye. It's going to use that blue. But I was like, oh my god, I can't believe people let me walk out of the house by looking like this. I know I talk a lot in my videos, but I remember in school, like, I always get in trouble for talking to my friends, and like my teachers would move me to another seat across the room. I'm like, you think that's gonna help? Like, I'm still gonna talk to them. I was gonna tell y'all something and it's already slipped my mind. Okay, I'm gonna go with this light bluish color, like a light blue color. And I'm gonna take this to my inner part of my eye. And like down lower through here. I've not tried this Propel water. It's really good. Okay, I don't know what happened to my phone. It's obviously having a day like me. I do next is I take my primer that I use for prime my eyes. I take that and I take a brush and put it all over my eyelid. I use this You Have Me at Hello from ColourPop. And I went in with this first color right here, which is Candy Graham. And I put this all over my lid, where I put all that primer at. So now what I do is take another brush, no matter what kind, blend it in to make it look good. Okay, so apparently I was getting low on storage. That's pretty. So let me read you about that mascara. Okay. Okay, it says Well People Impressionist Mascara Mini. It doesn't really say anything, it just has all the ingredients. I might go look on the internet and see what I can find about it, and if I find anything like crazy or anything, I will post it into this video. But I've never heard of Well People. I really haven't. Well, sorry for rambling on, and a lot of this video is just me talking. But I just wanted to give y'all a tutorial. You know, you can use some blues for this color, and get you some greens. And just put a bright color. It don't even have to be the same. It don't have to be the same palette that I use. Nothing like that. It's just something fun, something different. I go with very neutral colors all the time, so this is something different to use. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you would like to, and share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.